how to transfer Pi from Binance to OKX wallet. Now, it's not officially listed this token on Binance yet, but if it listed in the future, I will show you how to transfer it to your OKX wallet. Now, first, I will use the example of USDT in that case. Now, first of all, tap on Assets, and now from the top bar, tap on Spot. Now, tap on Withdraw, and as you can see here in the search bar, search for your token. In this case, it will be USDT. Now you'll find it, tap on it. And here tap on Send via Crypto Network. And as you can see here, set the network. I will set it to Tron. Now, to get the address of that USDT, you need to go to your OKX. Now, to get the withdrawal address of your token, just go to OKX wallet in the home. Now tap on your token USDT, and from the top you can select the network as you set it on the Binance. In this case, I select the Tron. Now to get the withdrawal address, just tap on receive, and as you can see here, just copy the address of your token and just go back to your Binance and paste it here in the address. Now after that, what you need to do, just type the amount that you want to withdraw, and now just tap on withdraw, and you will be able to withdraw your token or transfer your token from Binance to OKX wallet. So this is how to transfer Pi from Binance to OKX wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.